Stop scrolling if you notice these lines getting deeper. These lines can make you look older than you feel because one common habit might actually be making them more noticeable. And most people are focusing on the wrong area when trying to improve them. Today I'm going to show you a face massage routine specifically designed to target laugh lines naturally and help relax tension and support smoother looking skin. Now let's get into the first technique. Apply a pea-sized face cream, not too much, very little, so we can massage our face targeting our deep tissues and muscles instead of working only on the surface. Now start from your left side of the jaw, using your thumb working to the top till the cheekbone. Stop near the nose and grab the muscle here and glide towards the temple, lifting while pinching, and go all the way till the hairline. The rhythmic compression promotes venous and lymphatic return, increasing the delivery of oxygen and vital nutrients to the muscle tissues. Mobilizing muscle fibers and stretching across them lengthens tissues, which naturally increases your overall range of motion. This rhythmic motion promotes deep relaxation, which can lower cortisol, that are stress hormones. It stimulates sensory receptors in muscles, helping normalize resting tension, managing the effects of sedentary lifestyle. You must have noticed how while we work, we tend to position our neck or face wrongly, which increases tension on the facial muscles. This movement helps reduce the inflammation and makes it more vibrant with the increased blood flow through every tissue. Keep your mouth and jaw relaxed while doing this movement. This face massage is designed to target laugh lines naturally. Most people think once laugh lines appear, there's nothing they can do without expensive treatments. Follow along and stay until the end because the last technique is the most people skip and it's often the most important. Before touching your laugh lines directly, we need to release tension in the cheeks. This is where the most people make a mistake. Now using your knuckles, go all the way towards your masseter muscles. Laugh lines are mostly caused due to tight masseter muscles. They are caused by muscle overload from unconscious teeth grinding, chronic stress, and anxiety or TMJ disorders. Now that you have relaxed your masseter, lift your cheekbones like this. Relaxing this muscle helps eliminate the laugh lines, and while you do that, keep your face and mouth relaxed as you slide down. Open your mouth like this. Now hold on above your mouth corners and massage with your fingers and glide all the way towards your temple. Follow along and save the video for later so you can practice consistently and get rid of those laugh lines. Tight masseter muscles can also result from prolonged chewing, joint inflammation like arthritis, trauma, or poor bite alignment. If you smile a lot, you have probably noticed these lines. The good news, smiling isn't the problem, but facial tension, circulation, and repetitive habits might be. Don't spend thousands on anti-aging treatments if a few minutes a day could help you look more refreshed. Now moving on, press this muscle beside your nose. You may feel your bones, but there are underlying tissues that pulls down as we age, or maybe before that due to gravity, as we use our mobile phones with our head down for hours and get those prominent laugh lines over the time. Massaging these tissues lets you activate the muscle causing tension in this area and eliminate those laugh lines. Now press on the muscles here and glide with the other finger. Apply resistance and glide as you travel along the cheekbone. Keep your mouth relaxed and repeat. Follow along. Apply pressure on your hairline like this, and with your thumb go all the way from the inner corner of your eyes along the nose corners and glide through the cheekbones to the temple. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Gives you an instant lift on the cheekbones, keeps them away from squeezing on the middle, forming laugh lines. Now apply pressure on the laugh lines with your index finger and move in circular motion, and keep moving as you do so. Now that you have worked on your laugh lines, the next tutorial will show you how to lift your cheeks naturally, which can make smile lines look even softer. Tap the video on your screen and let's keep going.